A day in the country. Once upon a time there was a young girl named Lily. She lived in a big city, but she loved the country very much. One sunny Saturday, Lily's parents took her to their farm in the country. When they arrived, Lily saw green fields and tall trees. She took a deep breath. The air was fresh and clean. She felt happy. There were many animals on the farm. Lily saw cows, chickens, and a big horse named Max. "Can I ride, Max?" Lily asked her dad. He smiled and said, "Yes." Lily climbed on Max's back. She felt like a princess. Max walked slowly around the farm. Lily laughed and waved to her mom and dad. After the ride, it was time for lunch. They sat on a big blanket under a tree. Mom made sandwiches with cheese and tomatoes. They also had fresh fruit. It was delicious. After lunch, Lily wanted to explore. She found a little pond with frogs and colorful fish. She watched the frogs jump and the fish swim. It was so much fun. Later, Lily helped her parents feed the chickens. She laughed when the chickens ran to the food. They were very hungry. As the sun began to set, Lily felt tired but happy. She loved the country and all the animals. "Can we come back tomorrow?" she asked. Her parents smiled and said, "Yes, we can." Lily went home with a big smile on her face. She knew she would always remember this wonderful day in the country.